Okay, so currently what I'm doing is trying to clean the throttle body. Let me see if I can get a good view on the inside of this. You guys see all that carbon buildup around the butterfly? Throttle body butterfly has all that black gunk around the end. And I can clean that instead of having to replace the part, probably. Hopefully. Throttle body out. It's basically closed shut. Can't even open it, can't even push it closed. I don't want to break it. Really force it. Look at all that carbon buildup. So, I'm gonna get this disconnected completely. Even there too, look at that. I'm gonna get it disconnected completely and clean this shit up and see if it works. Got a new gasket for it too, so.
Oh, you thought I was gonna
I thought you were gonna go boom.
Yeah, you
boom,
better run.
boom.
No. Oh, yeah, that was it. I fucked it up then. Me walking down the street.
So we got this all cleaned up. A little bit better now. Not the best, but a lot better than before. Opens up a lot easier for sure. Back on, and then I'm gonna work on my turbo leak. Alright guys, just stopped at AutoZone and got 4 liters of transmission fluid for the Volvo. See if that helps the slipping. If it doesn't help the slipping, actual transmission issue, then I know that I can't do anything to fix it, even if I wanted to. But we'll figure that out pretty fast. So now I'm getting lunch for the family. Then gonna go finish up the work on the Volvo, see if it actually starts moving and running. We got it started or whatever, which I haven't done in quite a little bit, to be honest. It hasn't been starting lately. So it started up and I actually got it to move out of the spot it's been parked in for like, I don't know, a couple days, a couple weeks maybe. And we finally got it to move and it made it almost down the block. And then transmission slipped again, obviously. So, I mean, it's a possibility that this helps. If it's not this, then we know we got bigger problems. We'll find out. See if I can get you guys a good view of what's going on with the transmission fluid. Get you a good look at the color of this shit. Yeah, it may look a little brown, but that. So we're gonna jack the car up really quick, open up the transmission, drain it out really quick, and then fill it up with my new transmission fluid. Should get it. Fluid. Gross. Gonna get it off the jacks, fill it up really quick, and give it a test drive to see what happens. That was a bitch. I used a water bottle and filled it up to fill it up in the fucking sealed transmission. That shit was fucking rough. Well, we got her on the floor. Now we can see what's going on with her. Come on, brother, swing it. these people. They're like out here munching. Munch.
You see that?
Munch. We got Yater.
So good.
Diego. What are we doing tonight?
We're going to Carmi.
Where at? San Diego? Yes, sir.
Sleepy Boys.